How to download YouTube videos on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch YouTube app on your device. Log in to your account. Now scroll down and find a video that you want to download. You can either use the search icon at top right corner and search for any video that you want to download. You can directly go to any channel and search for the video as well. Now to download a video, you can tap three dots next to the video. Tap download video. The other way is simply you can launch the video and then tap the download button. In this way, you can successfully download video on your Android. In order to view that downloaded video, go ahead and tap on profile icon at bottom right corner, scroll down, and now select downloads option. Here you will see all the list of your downloaded video. You can easily tap on it and watch the video offline. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos.